Social media connects us, but school leaders say it's also harming the students they serve. CCISD is joining a national lawsuit against some of the biggest tech giants. I'm Alexis Scott, your downtown neighborhood news reporter, speaking with a mother who's making changes at home and a licensed counselor working to bring back balance to our daily lives. Whether it's scrolling, snapping, or streaming, social media is woven into daily life for students. But Corpus Christi Independent School District says it's time to crack down. They've joined a nationwide lawsuit against companies like Snapchat, Meta, and TikTok, claiming they've designed platforms that are addictive and dangerous to kids' mental health.
Unfortunately, they already know how detrimental all of this is for our kids.
Tessa Stuckey is a mom of 4, licensed counselor, and founder of Look Up nonprofit. She helps families restore balance and boundaries in a digital world. She limits screen time in her own household and says the data is clear. More screen time can turn into more mental health struggles.
They are intentionally making things more addicting so that kids get addicted or they are exposed to harmful content. There's cyberbullying, predators, viral trends that are extremely dangerous.
That lawsuit filed exactly 1 year ago, claiming these platforms knew the risks, especially with young users, but prioritized profit over safety. CCISD and other districts pointing to a lack of safeguards to keep harmful content away from kids. The district says they've had to step in, spending more time and resources helping students cope with anxiety, depression, and other behavioral issues.
They need to really step it up. If they are going to be these tech moguls, then why not use it for good?
Belkis Clark Mitchum has 2 daughters, 4 and 8 years old. She has noticed significant changes, especially with her 8-year-old, when using social media and technology.
Technology grooms our kids in ways that's a little bit scary. I've seen it impact their focus. When she's on the screen more, there's less creativity.
Mitchum has limited screen time for her girls to about 2 hours, but that's only when they finish their schoolwork. She says social media has a way of preventing children from learning basic life skills.
I don't demonize technology, like I said, but I don't think we ought to let it hijack our lives at all and the lives of our kids. And it runs a very high risk of doing that.
Both Stuckey and Mitchum say these social media giants should be held accountable for the harm they're imposing on the kids that use them. Chris 6 News reached out to CCISD for an interview, but the district declined to comment. Although CCISD joins dozens of other schools in this lawsuit, many say the solution starts at home. For more details on how to set screen time limits with your family, go to christv.com. In downtown, I'm your neighborhood news reporter, Alexis Scott, Chris 6 News.